You close the door, everything seals, it's quiet, it's peaceful, it's tranquil. And that's by design.
NVH stands for noise, vibrations, and harshness, and specifically the human response and perception to vibrations. Our job is to suppress the effect of vibrations, creating a quiet and refined cabin. The main sources that we tend to feel and hear in the car arise from interactions of the car with the road, interactions with the air around the car, and interactions with other operating systems in the car, such as the powertrain and compressors.
Very early in the project, NVH is considered because it is being impacted by the body structure, where all the components are placed, the stiffness of the overall car.
We want something that handles well, but also sounds and feels refined. That's an incredibly big challenge, and it all starts with engineering a stiff body structure.
Having a stiff body gives us more ability to control what level of noise reaches the cabin for the customer. So for example, road noise, we want to control that path from tire to wheel to hub to suspension arm through to subframe to body.
We have evolved many aspects of our powertrain via NVH simulations and testing. This includes their mounting and isolation architecture, as well as minimizing sources of noise from the mechanical transmission and electromagnetics. To study wind noise, we run highly detailed aeroacoustic simulations to see how the vehicle interacts with the air as it is moving. We also study the aeroacoustics of interior systems, such as the HVAC.
And then the second we have a physical part, we test it. A lot of testing happens statically in our lab, in our quiet room. Then we move on to on-road vehicle testing.
We use microphones, accelerometers, shakers, high-speed cameras, acoustic cameras, smoke tests.
You want a sense of being cut off from the outside world, and that vault-like feeling requires the car to be well sealed. If you take apart the car, it's peppered with holes. All of those are potential pathways for noise into the cabin.
We are quiet, we're refined, we're efficient. And that's something we put a huge amount of time and effort into achieving. If we do a good job, the customer doesn't know we exist at all.